children, my name is Kanak. I am going to teach you English literature of class 6. Lesson 1. Who did Patrick's homework? Who did Patrick's homework is a story which is written by Annie Carroll Moore. Annie Carroll Moore was born on 12 July 1871. She was an American educator, writer, and an advocate for children's library. So, children, do you like homework? Do you do it yourself or do you get help? What homework do you usually have? So, children, आप लोग को homework करना पसंद है? But most of you like activities, I think, or you play video games. But some students love reading books and lot of learning and are very hardworking. But I will suggest all of you work hard and do best in your English. Okay, so let's read the story. Who did Patrick's homework? This is the story of a boy who was not willing to do his homework in return to the favors he had done for saving an elf life. He assigned all his homework to it. As Elf wasn't familiar with the subjects, he took the help of Patrick. Now, Patrick was doing hard work in assisting the elf. At the end, he became independent and happy. Now let's read the story. Patrick never did homework, too boring. He said he played hockey and basketball and Nintendo instead. His teachers told him, Patrick, do your homework or you won't learn a thing. And it's true. Sometimes he did feel like an ignoramus. But what could he do? He hated homework. Now, what's the meaning of Nintendo? Nintendo means a video game, and ignoramus means an ignorant person who lacks education. Patrick found the homework very boring. Patrick को homework करना boring लगता था, and he preferred, उसको क्या पसंद था? Playing hockey and basketball and Nintendo. He was advised by the teacher to do his homework to learn better. He often realized that he hadn't learned many things, still did not change his attitude. उसको ये रियलाइज होता था कि उसने बहुत सी चीज़ें लर्न नहीं की हैं, होमवर्क नहीं किया है, लेकिन उसके बाद भी वो अपना एटीट्यूड चेंज नहीं करता था. सो then one day he found his cat playing with a little doll and he grabbed it away. To his surprise, it wasn't a doll at all, but a man of the tiniest size. He had a little wool shirt with old fashioned breeches and a high, tall hat, much like a witch's. He yelled, Save me! Don't give me back to that cat. I'll grant you a wish. I promise you that. Breeches means short trousers. The writer here spells it for fun to rhyme with the word wits. So one day he saw that his cat was playing with an elf. So एक दिन उसने क्या देखा कि उसकी जो कैट है वो एल्फ के साथ खेल रही है. एल्फ मीन्स a supernatural being. It was tiny man wearing a little wool shirt. वो कैसी शर्ट पहना था? Little wool shirt and short trousers. He shouted to be saved from the cat. It promised to grant Patrick a wish. If he saves its life, Patrick found someone to do his homework. Patrick couldn't believe how lucky he was. Here was the answer to all of his problems. So he said, Only if you do all my homework till the end of the semester, that's 35 days, If you do a good enough job, I could even get A's. A's means he'll get first division, 100%. So he felt lucky. He asked for his help. Whose help? Elf. Elf की उसने मदद मांगी. Till the end of the semester. Although the elf felt disgusted by the demand initially, yet it decided to help Patrick in his homework. So one day when Patrick found his cat playing with her little doll, he took the doll away. अब उसने वो डॉल ले ली. To his surprise, he found that the doll was a little man. डॉल क्या थी? एक छोटा सा elf, a little man. और उसने क्या पहने थे? ओल्ड फैशन ब्रिचेस. ब्रिचेस मीन्स शॉर्ट ट्राउजर्स. और उसकी हैट कैसे थी? हिज हैट वॉज टॉल लाइक अ विट्स. दैट लिटिल मैन क्राइड सेव मी. और वो जो मैन है उसने क्या कहा? बचाओ. इन रिटर्न ही प्रॉमिस टू ग्रांट पैट्रिक अ विश. उसके बदले में उसने क्या प्रॉमिस किया पैट्रिक से? एक विश. पैट्रिक सेव्ड द लिटिल मैन. पैट्रिक ने उस मैन को बचाया. ही वॉज मच प्लीज्ड. He asked the little man to do all his homework till the end of the semester. That way he could get A's. The little man didn't like it, yet he agreed to do so. The little man's face wrinkled like a dishcloth. What do you mean by dishcloth? A cloth used for washing dishes. So the little man's face wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown in the hamper. He kicked his legs and doubled his fists, and he grimaced and scowled and pursed his lips. Oh, am I cursed? But I'll do it. Grimaced, pursed his lips. He was becoming angry. The little man was becoming angry. He was showing this expression. वो अपने expression दिखा रहा है. Disgust, anger, disapproval means वो करना नहीं चाहता था. Little man उसकी help नहीं करना चाहता था. So he's saying वो क्या कह रहा है? Oh, am I cursed? But I'll do it. And true to his word, that little elf began to do Patrick's homework. अब उसे Patrick का homework वो कर रहा है क्योंकि उसने उसको वो wish दे दी है. So he has started doing Patrick's homework. Except there was one glitch. The elf didn't always know what to do and he needed help. Help me, he would say, and Patrick would have to help in whatever way. As elf, क्योंकि elf को सारे subjects नहीं पता थे, so इसलिए वो पैट्रिक को हमेशा बुलाता था. He asked for help. Patrick had to read words with meanings for elf. So पैट्रिक को उसके लिए वर्ड्स पढ़ने पड़ते थे, उनके मीनिंग्स खोजने रहते थे. एंड इन सॉल्विंग द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स इट टुक हेल्प ऑफ पैट्रिक हिमसेल्फ. हिस्ट्री वॉज ट्रबलसम फॉर एल्फ. एल्फ के लिए परेशानी वाला विषय कौन सा था? हिस्ट्री. सो sometimes the elf would ask for a dictionary. He would request Patrick to look up a word and speak its spellings loudly. When it came to math, it was even worse. The elf did not know much of it, so Patrick had to sit beside him and guide him all the time. So Patrick को हमेशा उसी के साथ बैठ के होमवर्क करना पड़ता था और उसकी हेल्प करनी पड़ती थी. It was the same thing with history. Patrick had to go to the library, get the books, and read them out to the elf. Then the elf would write those points in his homework answer book. I don't know this word, the elf squeaked while reading Patrick's homework. Get me a dictionary. No, what's even better, look up the word and sound it out by each letter. When it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck. What are times tables? The elf shrieked. Elf चिल्लाता था, ये टाइम टेबल क्या होता है? We elves never did that. कहता है हम लोग एल्फ लोग ने तो कभी ये टाइम टेबल्स नहीं किए हैं. And addition, subtraction, division, fraction. So maths में उसको बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती थी. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. Else know nothing of human history. To them, it's a mystery. तो human history उनके लिए क्या थी? एक mystery थी. So the little elf already a shouter just got louder. सो जो एल्फ था वो और तेज से, वो तो ऑलरेडी शाउट चिल्ला के बोलता था, लेकिन और तेज आवाज में बोलता है, गो टू द लाइब्रेरी, जाओ लाइब्रेरी में, आई नीड बुक्स, more and more books, and you can help me read them too. As a matter of fact, every day in every way, that little elf was a nag. Pet nag means one who troubles someone all the time by complaining or asking them to do something. सो नैग का मतलब क्या होता है? जो हमेशा किसी को परेशान करता है, या कंप्लेन करेगा या बोलेगा ये करके ले आओ, ये करो. He was staying up nights, had never felt so weary, was going to school with his eyes puffled and bleary. अब पैट्रिक जो है बहुत वर्क हार्ड करने लग गया, बहुत परिश्रम करने लगा पहले से भी ज़्यादा. रात रात भर जागता था और इतना थका हुआ रहता था. जब वो स्कूल जाता था उसकी आंखें एकदम प्लफी पफल्ड और ब्लेयरी रहती थी, एकदम थकान भरा रहता था, आंखें सूजी हुई रहती थी. फाइनली द लास्ट डे ऑफ स्कूल अराइव्ड एंड द एल्फ वाज फ्री टू गो. एज फॉर होमवर्क देयर वाज नो मोर. So he quietly and slyly slipped out the back door. So Patrick had to do much hard work. Finally, the last day of the school arrived. अब last day school का आया हो गया था. Elf अब free हो गया था. Homework complete हो चुका था. The homework had of course been completed. Patrick got his A's. Patrick को A's मिले थे. His classmates were amazed and his teachers smiled. His parents wondered how their son had become such a model kid. Patrick had indeed developed a whole new attitude. Thus, it involved Patrick all the time while doing his homework. Patrick was reading day and night unknowingly, and in helping Elf, he actually learned lots of things. On last day of the school, the elf left secretly through the back door. It did not want to stay longer as the work was tiresome for it. जब लास्ट डे था, एल्फ अब पीछे के दरवाजे से चला जाता है, क्योंकि अब वो और रहना नहीं चाहता था. वो थक गया था उसका काम करते करते. अब जब सेमेस्टर के एंड था, पैट्रिक ने सारे लोगों को अचंभित कर गया था. कैसे? क्योंकि उसने सब में ए पाया था, ए ग्रेड पाई थी. एक्चुअली इट वॉज अचीव्ड ओनली थ्रू हिज ओन हार्डवर्क. ये सब कैसे हुआ था? उसके अपने परिश्रम से हुआ था. His teachers, parents, and friends wondered for the positive changes in his personality. उसके जितने टीचर्स, पेरेंट्स सब अचंभित हो गए थे कि अचानक से वो कैसे इतना चेंज हो गया. He became the inspiration for others. Patrick got his A's, his classmates were amazed, his teachers smiled and were full of praise, and his parents, they wondered what had happened to Patrick. He was now the model kid. They wondered what had happened to Patrick. He was now the model kid. अब वो एक मॉडल बन गया था. He cleaned his room, did his chores, was cheerful, never rude, like he had developed a whole new attitude. अब उसमें एक नया attitude आ गया था. As you see in the end, Patrick still thought he had made that tiny man do all his homework. But I'll share a secret just between you and me. It wasn't the elf. Patrick had done it himself. So his parents wondered how their son had become such a model kid. Patrick had indeed developed a whole new attitude. Of course, Patrick thought that the elf had done his homework. Patrick क्या सोच रहा था कि elf ने उसका सारा homework किया है. But the truth is that he was all doing it by himself. उसने खुद से ही ये काम किया था. He did all his work by himself. Patrick had learned to work hard and finally the success was his, not that of the elf. So finally किसने hard work किया? Patrick ने. So the key to his success was his own hard work. He has done whole hard work by himself. He had done all his homework by himself. Patrick ने अपना वर्क खुद से किया था. Okay, all of you hear this audio and understand this story.